Today I went shooting at Farmington Bay. It was cold and wet. The first bird I shot was a Canada goose looking after his wife. I was then able to get this cool snow shot of a red-winged blackbird who was hunkering down in this April snowstorm. Next, I saw a truly snowy egret, but he didn't seem to mind. Lastly, I had a great experience filming a kestrel eating a mouse. There's an American kestrel right over there. Most kestrels can't afford to be picky like this guy. And that bobbing tail is the best way to identify a kestrel from afar. Between trying to shoot the birds, keep my gear dry, and keep myself warm, this was a good trip.